Here we are asked to do a couple different things. So we're going to be using kind of like two different functions to help us answer or evaluate these questions. So first of all, we have f of x equals 4x plus 7, and then we have g of x equals x squared minus 3. So first one says evaluate f of 12 minus g of 2. So f of 12 is going to be 4 times 12 plus 7, and then minus g of 2, which is just going to be 2 squared minus 3. So I'm going to evaluate f of 12 first here. So I get 4 times 12, which is 48, plus 7, which is 55. Then I'm going to evaluate g of 2. So 2 squared is 4, minus 3 is 1. And then when I do all this, 55 minus 1 is just 54. Second, I'm going to evaluate g of f of negative 1 here, which is b. And so first I'm going to work kind of inside out here. So I'm going to find f of negative 1. So I have 4 times negative 1 plus 7, negative 4 plus 7. So f of negative 1 is equal to 3. And now I'm going to plug that into this function g here. So now I'm going to say g of 3 is equal to 3 squared minus 3, which is just 9 minus 3, which is just 6. So g of f of negative 1 is just equal to 6 here. And we'll call this first one equal to 54. I'm going to erase some of this to give us space for c and d. So for c, it says write an equation for f of w plus 2. And so what that means is when I write this f of w plus 2, I'm just going to replace x with w plus 2 and kind of simplify that expression there. So then I'm going to distribute 4w plus 8 plus 7, 4w plus 15. So that's my simplified equation there for f of w plus 2. Next, I'm going to be doing g of k plus 5. So same idea, g of k plus 5 equals k plus 5 squared minus 3. Now, sometimes you can use the box or FOIL to kind of expand this. I know just for time's sake, when I multiply k plus 5 squared, k squared plus 10k plus 25. And don't forget to bring down this minus 3. That's the biggest mistake I see people making. And then when you simplify that, k squared plus 10k plus 22. Again, people get so caught up in doing this k plus 5 squared, they forget about the rest of the equation that they need to kind of add on at the end there. So make sure that we're simplifying it to the right answer.